mashed potato bar that your whole family is gonna love. We're enjoying a family game night tonight, so we're gonna have mashed potatoes with all the fixings.
What's wrong?
Okay, I can't move.
You got any tips to help?
Oh my gosh.
You think that's gonna work?
No, maybe. I'm making mashed potatoes. I probably need way more butter than this. And then I'm gonna pour in a little bit of our milk. Not too much because I don't want it to be liquidy. Probably need more than that though. Gonna do some salt and some pepper. All right. And I'm gonna taste these puppies. Definitely need some salt. I don't think they need any more milk because I think we're good. You like cheese? You like cheese? You want some cheese? What you doing, Chuck? Chucky Woo!
I'm more interested in scraps.
Too bad you ain't getting any, fool.
I've got my meat drained, so I'm gonna make just a little bit of, make it into sloppy Joe meat. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire. About a teaspoon or so. And then, ours is really simple. I'm just gonna add some ketchup. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. We've already added seasonings when we cook the meat, so now we'll just kind of let that. Oh, how did this get off? That's why it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Yummy broccoli. Now I like to set up a mashed potato buffet for a holiday dinner. Easter dinner is coming up. You've got Thanksgiving, Christmas, anything like that. It works really great. I wish I had more of these, but I don't. So I'm just gonna set out 3 for now, because it's just us tonight. I love chives. Chives are a good addition, especially with the cheese sauce and the bacon. So we've got crumbled bacon, and then broccoli. We've got our broccoli. Broccoli and cheese sauce make a great mashed potato dish. We've got sour cream, which I'm gonna put on the end because that's usually something people put on the very top. And then cheddar cheese, and we've got our sloppy joe meat over here. So really all you need to do is set everything out where everybody can get to it. Put spoons in it or forks, whatever works. I think we have the makings of a really good mashed potato bar here. Now you can also add things like ham and brown gravy. What else? Salsa, guacamole, jalapenos, if you wanted to make kind of a Tex-Mex mashed potato bar. But tonight we've got pretty much the basics. This is gonna make some pretty delicious mashed potato bowls. Experienced a mashed potato bar was in New York City at a blogging conference. They had all kinds of potatoes. They even had purple potatoes, and they had these cute little martini glasses, and you could fill them with potatoes, and they had all these toppings, and they were all kept warm in this circular warmer. Anyway, it's a lot of fun.